Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung ating reading for air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi talaga natin makukuha lahat ng energy ng air sign sa mundo. Kung gusto mo, pwede kang magpa-personal reading. Jing Tarot Reader, pwede mo siyang i-search sa Facebook, sa Messenger. Ayan, pwede siyang magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. Kung gusto mo naman, pwede ka rin namang punta doon sa aking TikTok and i-follow mo din ako doon. Okay? Nagbibigay ako ng free na palm reading kung mag-a-avail ka ng bracelet na available naman doon sa aking TikTok shop. Yung mga piyaw bracelet, yan. May free yan na palm reading. Okay. So anyway, so this is for the sign of air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's start your reading. Okay, you do have here the Queen of Cups. Six of Cups. You do have here the World at the bottom of the deck. For what I can see here, with the Queen of Cups, you are a very loving person. Nasa kaugalian mo na yan eh. Mapagmahal ka. Tsaka pag nagmahal ka, buong buo. Tapos with the Six of Cups, I feel like ikaw yung mahilig tumulong sa kapwa mo. Binibigay mo lahat ng kaya mong ibigay just to make them happy. Okay? Iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng yung needs nila. Kumbaga, as much as possible, ayaw mo nagkukulang sila. Or yung kung ano man yung kaya mong maibigay, ibinibigay mo. And you do have here the World. A lot of people see you as a person na you have everything. You are very kind. You are someone na iniidolo ng lahat. Because kung ano man yung mga meron ka ngayon, kumbaga tuldok lang yung mga hindi magagandang kaugalian na meron sa'yo. Okay? And nakikita natin na may mga tao kang iniiwasan or maybe a person na iniiwasan mo. But you want this person na makipag-connect or communicate sa'yo. You want to have a new beginning with this person. And yeah, you do have the Chariot. So, this is like signifying na parang ikaw ay masyadong malayo or umiiwas dito sa taong maaaring siya yung talagang totoong makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Pero you're not making any movement, pero gusto mong lumapit or gumawa siya ng paraan para makipag-connect or communicate sa'yo. Pero kung ikaw, yung gagawa ng first movement, hindi ko nakikitang nandun yung kagustuhan mong gawin yon. Yung ikaw ang gagawa ng first move. So, who is this person that you're dealing with pagdating sa love? For the sign of air sign. Person nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. Okay, for the sign of air sign, you do have here the Two of Wands, Knight of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Swords. Yeah. Pareho kayo ng person na ito actually. Like, you know, yeah, makikita mo at the bottom of the deck, there's like this mga sword or mga nakaharang, and both of you are trying to focus sa parang kailangan niya ng tulong mo. Pero hindi niya sinasabi or gusto niyang umalis sa isang situation na parang kailangan niya ng tulong mo para makaalis siya doon, but hindi niya rin sinasabi, parang gusto niya makaramdam ka na lang, ganun. And then pwedeng ikaw rin naman. With the Two of Wands, I feel like itong person nito is nagpaplano siyang magkaroon ng pagta-travel. This person wants to see you. This person wants to talk to you in person. Wants to see you in person. And nakikita natin na nagpaplano siya. Nag-i-invest siya or nag-iipon, sabihin na natin ganun, para magkaroon ng communication or some kind of pagta-travel sa'yo. Okay? Ano yung mga emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? You do have the Chariot, so talagang umiiwas ka talaga dito sa taon to. There's a lot of love with the Ten of Cups. Mahal mo siya. Pero gusto mong magkaroon ng pagbabago. Like, for now, you are dealing with your present situation. And gusto mong magkaroon ng pagbabago. You're thinking about the future. And maaaring marami kang responsibilidad, marami kang obligasyon, na ito yung inuuna mo. No? You are denying this person. Mas nauuna sa'yo yung pagde-deny dito sa connection ninyong dalawa ng person na ito. Emotions niya towards you. You do have the Four of Swords, the Death card, the Six of Swords, and the Six of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Justice card. Ayan, puro major arcana, no? I know, actually, ang major arcana lang is the Death card and the Justice card. Oh! Gusto niya sabihin sa'yo yung totoo about sa emotions niya pag nakita na kayo. Like, one-on-one communication, one-on-one talk sa inyong dalawa. This person sa ngayon ay may mga choices siya na parang hindi niya alam kung ano gagawin niya dito sa mga napili niya na mga choices niya na ngayon. Sa ngayon, with the Six of Pentacles, tinatry niyang i-balance ang buhay niya, finances niya, whatever na nasa harapan niya ngayon na parang tinatry niya mag-move on sa'yo kaya wala siyang ginagawa. Pero kung just in case magkakaroon ng pagkakataon na magkita, hindi kasi siya person na magaling makipag-communicate through social media, through LDR, mahina siya sa ganon. Pero once na magkaroon ng pagkikita sa inyong dalawa, dun niya gustong sabihin lahat. Like, this is the Justice card. This person wants to offer you. Hindi niya rin kasi alam kung paano sisimulan, paano gagawin yon ng malayo ka sa kanya. Okay? So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? What will happen in the near future for the both of you? You do have the Six of Wands, the Two of Wands, Nine of Swords, and the Justice card. Oh, no. Bottom of the deck is the Five of Cups. Okay. Knight of Pentacles, Page of Wands. I told you there's this communication in the near future sa inyong dalawa. But you have to make this choice. Kasi this person, kailangan ka niya, na-realize niya kailangan ka niya. And in the future, I can see a person na will tell you kung ano yung plano niya, kung ano yung talagang intention and emotion niya para sa'yo. This Justice card is the truth. Here with the Justice card, Libra energy. I feel like with the Nine of Swords, mamomblema ka rin, mahihirapan ka rin kasi hindi mo rin alam kung ano dapat mong gawin. Like, you want this connection with the Two of Cups. You like to have this connection, relationship with this person, pero with the Five of Cups, maaaring hindi mo sure kung ano gagawin mo. Gusto mo to, pero paano? Maybe, may iba sa inyo, may mga taong maaapektuhan with the Magician. Could be another relationship, or may mga tao kayong kailangan lokohin, or alam mong masasaktan kung itutuloy mo yung connection ninyong dalawa nitong person na ito, but this person is going to offer you this this plano sa inyong dalawa. And you have to make a decision here. This person realized na with the King of Cups, mahal ka pala talaga niya. And with the Seven of Swords, willing siyang iwan yung mga dapat niyang iwan. Pero with the world, he or she is also expecting na ganun din yung gagawin mo. Because gusto niyang i-work out or magkaroon ng new beginning sa inyo with the Ace of Wands. This person is willing to fight for your love. But, alam mo yung feeling na pwedeng alam niya rin with the Ace of Cups na mahal mo rin siya, na both of you wants this new beginning, dalawa. Pero pareho ninyong dapat i-give up yung mga bagay na nagiging hadlang sa connection ninyong dalawa. And with the Three of Swords, this person is willing to do that. So, nag-expect din siya na ikaw din sana maging willing ka na i-give up lahat. Kasi ako i-give up ko lahat para sa'yo. So, that's the reading for you. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.